BMW wanted to charge about $2,000, like $250 for an inspection. I'm like, dude, like the water pump is failed. But it's fine. It's okay. They're a business. Everybody got to make money, right? I get that. But I'm going to use my brain. So we're going to spend about close to $600 going on Amazon, ECS, and Rock Auto. All right, guys. So I have everything written that I need from where I'm going to go. I'll show you on my computer what I'm about to order. This is the update for the BMW 340. As you guys may know or may not know, if this is your first time tuning in, I had my water pump fail. So I'm doing a lot of preventative maintenance. I'm doing the engine oil, or the oil filter housing. I'm doing the water pump and doing some coolant hoses and some different stuff like that. So stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, we are back. So I told you we're gonna have a small update. So I'm on Rock Auto. I definitely recommend them if you're in a pinch, but they also sell good quality parts. So you see here we have a water pump. It's about 54. BMW wanted to charge 400. I need to just change this, a cabin air filter. It's a really premium one, has like 3 stages of like filters. And then we also have a coolant flange that's with a sensor to tell me the temperature, so that's in there too. All right, so that's Rock Auto. Now we're going to Amazon. So you see here, I got a aluminum oil filtering housing, right? I'm not gonna go with their gaskets or their screws. I'm gonna go up to BMW to go get that, or their filter. But as far as just the filter itself, because I saw ones on like what is it called? Let me just go to it. On like Alibaba or AliExpress, but I don't know. I mean, it's kind of backwards that, you think you spend more money to get security, and that's not necessarily the truth. But I'm used to Amazon. I want to go through them, so we're just going to do that. But we will not be using their gaskets, filter, and bolts. Because I was watching a YouTuber, and they were going over how the bolts need to be more rounded here, so it's just not what comes with it. So we're going to be using Amazon as well, too. And then the next thing that we're going to be using is ECS tuning. I have bought stuff from them before, and they have been solid. So what you see here is we're going to get a turbocharger auxiliary water pump coolant hose. That's about 68 bucks. So got that. We got a engine oil filter, about 17 bucks. Water pump gasket. This is genuine BMW, so got that. Then we're gonna have this coolant return hose from engine to radiator, because I think just doing that now, just preventative maintenance. So that all equals up to $266. So that is the 3 sites we were using to get the BMW back. So we're gonna spend about $500 because BMW wanted to charge me $2K to fix all this, and I'm like, no, I am going to source it out myself. I am smart enough and have resources, and we would go about it that way. So stay tuned for the next update, and that's what we got going on.